Hello friends, welcome to ICE Digital. How to take advantage of freelancing opportunities. Here are some tips to help you take advantage of freelancing opportunities. Define your niche. Identify the type of work that you excel in and focus on building your brand around that. This way, you can become known as an expert in your field and attract clients who are looking for someone with your specific skills. Build a strong online presence. A strong online presence is crucial for freelancers. Create a professional website, portfolio, and profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Network and market yourself. Network with other freelancers and potential clients through social media, professional events, and online forums. Participate in discussions, share your work, and let people know about your freelancing services. Stay organized. Keep track of your finances, client communications, and deadlines. Use project management tools to stay organized and ensure you deliver your work on time. Provide excellent customer service. Communication and customer service are key to building a successful freelancing business. Respond promptly to client inquiries, be transparent about your availability, and consistently deliver high-quality work. By following these tips, you can position yourself as a competitive and reliable freelancer and take advantage of the many opportunities available in the freelancing market. Consider like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.